Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You start by exposing the pin that holds the strap. Use a soft cloth to protect the crystal, then set the watch face down. Take the spring bar tool and locate the flange of the spring bar between lug ends. Press inward to compress it. Once compressed, slide the bar out gently with tweezers while supporting the strap. This prevents it from springing away. Make sure to note orientation and any rattling that indicates wear, because that tells you whether to replace the pin. Now inspect the removed pin closely. Look for bending, corrosion, or compressed ends that won't seat properly. If damaged, choose a replacement matching the exact length and diameter. Measure against the original across the lugs, not the strap. Insert one end into its lug hole, compress the opposite end with the tool, and align it with the other lug hole. Once the bar is engaged, release slowly to let it seat. Make sure the strap sits flush and the bar clicks into place. Finish by confirming the spring bar is fully seated and the strap aligns with the watch case. Tug gently on the strap in several directions to confirm retention. If the pin refuses to seat, remove it and clean the lug holes. Debris block seating, then try a new pin of the correct size. If misfit persists, the lug hole may be damaged. Consult a watchmaker. Once secure, wipe the watch clean, store spare bars, and you're done. You'll avoid future surprises.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.